next award is for performance in a leading role female. May we have a look at the nominations.
Rani Mukherjee for Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway. Alia Bhatt for Rocky और Rani की प्रेम कहानी. Deepika Padukone for Pathaan. Kiara Advani for Satya Prem की कथा. Taapsee Pannu for Donkey.
And to do the honors, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Partho Banerjee, Senior Executive Officer, Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, the gorgeous Ananya Pandey, and illustrious filmmaker Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra.
Hello, Abu Dhabi. And the award goes to, everyone's already guessed it, my favorite, Rani Mukherjee for Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway.
Hi, my gorgeous people of Abu Dhabi. It feels incredible to be standing here receiving the Best Actor award in the midst of such a warm and wonderful audience and my friends and colleagues from my fraternity for one of the most special films of my career. Receiving this award at IFA feels even more special as it validates the fact that Mrs. Chatterjee made an impact globally in people's hearts. It makes me extremely happy to dedicate this award to all the mothers out there. Mothers can move mountains for their children and make the world a better place. I cannot leave the stage without thanking the team who helped make this film possible and bring the story to life on the big screen. My director, Ashima Chibar, my producers, Nikhil Advani, Monisha, Madhu from MA Entertainment, and everyone at Z Studios. My co-stars, the core team, who stood by me in every scene, and the entire group from India, and especially from Tallinn, Estonia. Most importantly, a big thank you to all my fans around the world. And of course, last but not the least, my heartfelt thanks to the team IFA, Viraf, Andre, Sabas. All of them are like family, who have worked tirelessly for years now and represented India and our Indian cinema to the world through the award functions and brought the whole industry under one roof. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a great night.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Rani Mukherjee, the powerhouse performance of 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, our next award is for performance in a leading role, male, and let's have a look at the nominations.
Vikrant Massey for 12th Fail. Ranbir Kapoor for Animal. Ranveer Singh for Rocky और Rani की प्रेम कहानी. Shah Rukh Khan for Jawan. Vicky Kaushal for Sam Bahadur. Sunny Deol for Gadar 2.
And to present the award for performance in a leading role, male, I would like to invite on stage Nobutka Suzuki, Senior Executive Officer, Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, legendary filmmaker Mr. Mani Ratnam, and the legend himself, A.R. Rahman, to do the honors.
I peeked in and saw who it is. He's a true ambassador for Indian movies. His name brings joy all over the world. So you want to open?
King Shah Rukh Khan.
Thank you, Abu Dhabi. Thank you, IFA. Thank you, Andre, Sabas, Viraf. And to receive this award from Mani Ratnam sir and A.R. Rahman sir, it's one of the greatest moments of my life because these are two people that I worked with and respect way beyond what they can ever understand. I joke with them, I talk with them, but I've learned so much filmmaking from both these legends. So thank you so much, both of you. And just want to tell you, it's good to be back. Also, I'm extremely grateful for this award. I love awards. I'm greedy about awards. But for so many years now that I've been working, I need to tell you the honest thing that Best Actor, Best Director, Best Stories, all these awards are a bit subjective. So I would like to congratulate all the people who have been nominated. Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, Vikrant Massey, I think he was outstanding. My Vicky Kaushal, Sunny Paji, all of them deserve it in one way or the other. But I think I have a little happiness from the audience this year because I worked after a long time. So I take this award for all the three films that I happened to do this year, the wonderful Donkey, the magnificent Pathan, and absolutely mad Jawan. In order, I do need to thank the director of the film, Mr. Attlee, the cinematographer, Vishnu, Ruben, who edited the film, Anirudh, who did the music, and whole team that came down from Tamil Nadu to make this beautiful film. And Nayantara ji, Vijay Sethupathi ji, Deepika Padukone, the six lovely girls, Sunil Grover, everybody. If I'm missing out some names, I'm sorry. But I owe this film to all of them. And this film was... I don't like talking personal things, but this film was made under stress. So I want to thank, we're all professionals, we are supposed to do our job. But I want to thank the whole team behind me, Arun, Raj, Shalina, Anjali, Khushbu, Preeti who did the makeup, and of course Pooja. They all worked very, very hard for 2-3 years to make this film happen. So I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And I've been reminded somebody has to put the money in the film. So I want to thank Gauri, the producer. She must be the only wife who's spending more money on the husband than the husband does on the wife. So I'm thankful for her. But in all seriousness, for her patience, her goodwill, her kindness. We all were going through a little bit of a tough time making Jawan. But I feel back here in Haifa, in the city of Abu Dhabi, I'm genuinely back. And I'm really, really happy to end the year like this. So thank you, Haifa. Thank you all of you here. Thank you, Mani sir again. Thank you, Rahman sir. Thank you, sir. And thank you everybody who's present here, my colleagues, all the senior members who are there, and all the directors, all the producers. God bless you. Vinod to khush hai, tujhe best director mila hai. And writer bhi. But God bless you. Congratulations, Sandeep. Congratulations, Bhushan. Congratulations, Karan. To all the winners here. Winning in no way vindicates the fact that we are good enough or not good enough. It just tells us we need to just keep working harder to be here and enjoy this evening. Thank you very much here, everyone in Abu Dhabi. God bless you, and I love you all. Thank you.
Shah Rukh Khan, ladies and gentlemen, the best performance of 2023, undoubtedly, the king reclaimed his throne.